everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the weather machine easily after the latest update on today. So in this update, you no longer need to travel all the way to weather machine island. The weather machine feature is now built in directly into the menu, which makes everything much faster and more convenient. But there's one important requirement. This feature only appears when your total fish catch reaches more than 2,000. So if you don't see the weather machines option yet, just keeping fishing until your accumulated catch pass that number. And once you have unlocked it, just tap on weather machines like this, and then from here you can choose the weather you want, like wind, cloudy, snow, or even storm, radiant, and many more. Just choose the weather depending on your need to match the fish or route that you use. And okay, that's it, super easy and now way to more accessible. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.